Thanks for joining us for this box break of 2021-22 Topps Chrome Overtime Elite Basketball. We're excited to get into this box, which features 2 Chrome autograph cards per box and possibly the next top NBA future star. Before we get into the box, we'd love it if you followed us on social media. We're at Examine Baseball on all platforms. And if you're watching this on YouTube, a subscribe would go a long way. So without any further delay, let's get into this box of 2021-22 Topps Chrome Overtime Elite Basketball. There are 4 Chrome cards in each pack, and we're going to get into, again, this first pack of 2021-22 Topps Chrome Overtime Elite Basketball. Hit us up. Let us know what you enjoyed the most about this product, and if you've opened it before. And again, you could see highly reflective or Jazian Gortman. We got a Future Problems and Bowman card. Right away, right off the jump, we have a Nathan Messia Dio autograph here. And if we flip it on the back, it is numbered to 50 here. So right off the jump, we got hit with an autograph. Nathan Messia Dio, and it is a gold numbered to 50. We have Izan Amansa Topps Chrome, again, rookie. And these guys, all rookie cards here. So what a way to get started with the box. Again, we got a gold auto, numbered to 50. Let's see what else we have inside. So we have Jai Smith, Luis Duarte. Looks like we got a refractor here of Bryce Gibbs. And we have Amen Thompson. Again, folks looking to get into this product. Again, you're hoping a few years from now, some of these kids will hit in the NBA. And again, here's the kid that we got the autograph from, Nathan Messia Dio. We got Amen Thompson here. We have a Future Problems, a Warren card, and then Jalen Martin as well. And you're checking out 2021-22 Topps Chrome Overtime Elite Basketball. We got Jalen Martin again. Nathan Messia Dio, another shot here. Looks like another refractor here of Dominic Barlow. And we have Gene Montero. Thanks for sticking with us on this box break. Again, you can follow us at Examine Baseball, wherever you consume. Devontae Cobbs. We got Barlow again. Looks like another refractor. Izan Almansa, and this is in that classic, 71, 72 Topps. 70, 71 Topps design, I believe, right? And then you have Tudor Somaescu. Tell us which player you are looking forward to the most. Leave a comment here. Izan Amansa, John Walker. We have a refractor here of Jalen Martin and Bryson Warren. Emmanuel Maldonado, Tudor Somaescu, another insert here of Matt Bewley, and we have Bryce Griggs. There are 18 packs in a box. We're still looking for that second autograph. We got hit on that first pack of the box. A really awesome gold refractor autograph there. Ausar Thompson. Got a Future Problems card here of T. Smith. We have a purple refractor of Luis Duarte. And that is numbered to 299. And then a card of Ausar Thompson. Next pack, Devontae Hobbs. Yeah, Devontae Cobbs. Amen Thompson. Insert here of Jai Smith and then Luis Duarte. Cool to see these young men get their own basketball cards. Zar Jackson, Jazin Gortman. We have an orange refractor here also of Gortman. And that is number 225. Again, we get another look at that refractor there. Orange refractor of Gortman. Manuel Maldonado. Ryan Bewley. We have a Levitate insert here of Malik Bowman. And then the second autograph we have here is by, I'm going to have to turn this over because his name is obscured by the autograph. That is Kokyat. Kokyat. And then another chrome here of Malik Bowman. We're about halfway through the box again. Thanks for sticking with us here at Examine Baseball. Taking a look at some basketball today, courtesy of Topps. This is Topps Chrome Overtime Elite. We got a Malik Bowman insert here. We have a card here of Gene Montero. Again, this is kind of like an interesting background here with the OTE the symbols. Haven't seen that one before. This is another refractor here of Matt Bewley. This is number 199. And then we got again Tyler Smith here. Chrome rookie. Gene Montero. Let's see some color in this pack here. Also Thompson. We have a purple here of Jalen Lewis, and that is number 299. And then Amen Thompson. Again, this is a refractor here of All-Star Thompson. Malik Bowman. Dominic Barlow. We have a Levitate insert. I like the way these inserts look here. Really fresh design. Tyler Smith. And then another card here of Luis Duarte. Kind of, I think, final four. Yep, final four packs here. Topps Chrome Overtime Elite. Luis Duarte again. Nathan Misidio. We got a Dominic Barlow Levitate insert here. And Bryson Warren. Bryson Warren. Malik Bowman. Alexandra Sarr. And Matt Bewley. 2 packs left. Topps Chrome Overtime Elite Basketball. Been an interesting journey. Gonna have to do some homework on these prospects here. Tyler Smith, Bryson Warren. We got refractor here of Kokyat. This is number 199. And then nice interesting card here of Matt Bewley with the basketballs. Our final pack, Topps Chrome Overtime Elite. All right, so we got Bryce Griggs, Ryan Bewley. Looks like we got a refractor here of Izan Almanza. And then we'll top it up with a chrome of Jalen Lewis. So that's our box of Overtime Elite. We'll get the autographs here in a moment. Kokyat. And then the hit of the box, which we got on the first pack, it is a Nathan Misidio Gold number to 50. Again, 2021, 22 Topps Overtime Elite Basketball. We'd love it if you gave us a follow. We're at Examine Baseball on all platforms. Thanks for checking us out. And until next time, keep swinging for the fences.